National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central Tillman County in west central Texas, southeastern Reynolds County in west central Texas, northern Concho County in west central Texas, until 6:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 5:24 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Paint Rock, moving northeast at 30 miles an hour. Hazard, 60 miles an hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. This severe thunderstorm will be near Ivy Reservoir near Concho Park Marina around 5:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Leaving around 5:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include the intersection of Ranch Road 1929 and Ranch Road 2134, the intersection of US 83 and Ranch Road 765, US 83 near the Concho-Reynolds County line, the intersection of US 83 and Ranch Road 1929, and the intersection of Ranch Road 380 and Ranch Road 381. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This is KC5EZZ repeater.